How to factory reset Motorola Edge 60 Stylus. No password needed. Step 1. Charge your phone to at least 30%. Step 2. Turn the phone off completely. Step 3. Press and hold volume down power together for 8 to 3 seconds until the bootloader menu appears. Step 4. Use the volume keys to highlight recovery mode, then press power to select it. Step 5. If you see the Android robot and no command, hold power and tap volume up once, then release both. Step 6. In the recovery menu, use volume to select wipe data, factory reset, and press power. Step 7. Choose factory data reset and press power to confirm. Step 8. Once complete, select reboot system now and press power. Step 9. Your phone will reboot with all data erased and no lock screen password.